Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install TokenPocket wallet on your iPhone. So first of all, scroll down and type in the search bar App Store and tap on Go. After that, return to main page and tap on search button at the bottom right corner. After that, type in the search bar token pocket and tap on search button. Scroll down until you find TP, wallet, crypto and Bitcoin. Tap on get button right here, and after that to do double click to install. After download and installation the application, you can tap on open button and wait. After that you can tap on I already have a wallet or I don't have a wallet and create new wallet. That's it, I hope it helps. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also you can watch this new video or this playlist about cryptocurrency.